as you can see, most of my face is already done. That's only because in the last 2 videos, my foundation routine would have been the same. So I thought to just go ahead and get that out of the way and we can focus on the eyes. So really I have no idea what I'm going to do, what look we're going to do. I think I want to play with some yellow, maybe gold, or maybe green. So we will see, I guess. So I actually went ahead and zoomed in a little just so that you can focus in on the eyes, because that's mainly what I want to focus on. So I think I want to go into this Subculture palette. You guys have seen me use this in every tutorial. And I think I want to start with the color Edge, which is this yellow shade right here. I think I want to put that as my transition shade, and the brush I'm going to be using is a MAC 224 brush, which just looks like this. So let's see how this color picks up. Whoa. Okay, from the same palette, I'm going to be going into the color New Wave, which is this orange shade right here. Now I'm going to put that in the crease as well using the same brush. I'm going to use Untamed. And I'm going to place that in the outer V using a 217 brush by MAC. Y'all, this looks crazy, but hopefully towards the end I'll pull it together or something. But right now this is looking real crazy. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna go on with the color Axis, with this color right here, which is Axis. And I guess I'm gonna put that right on top because hey, I already got this crazy blue on, might as well keep it going. Which is basically the same color, I guess. Who knows what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna keep blending and blending. Alright, so I'm gonna actually cut the crease. So to cut the crease, I'm just gonna take some concealer. I'm gonna be using a MAC 242 brush, which is this brush right here. Into the same palette, and the first color I'm going to go into is Electric, which is this color right here. For the middle, I think I'm going to go in with this gold color, which is called Adorn, which is that color right here. we're gonna go into the color Untamed, which was that crazy blue. We got not gonna go crazy again. We're only gonna place that right here. Listen, right there only. Then I want to place that green underneath too, so I'm just gonna go in with that green, the electric color, and place that in the inner heart. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Of course, you already know I'm going to go ahead and contour with MAC's Blunt. I'm going to take the MAC bronzer in the color Highly Illogical, which looks like this in case you haven't seen it. Let me know if you guys want to see these steps in the comment, if you want to see these steps, or if you want me to just go ahead and do it off camera, because for the most part it's going to be the same. I might just switch up the products, but for my inner highlight I want to use this MAC pigment in the color white, and I think I want to mix that with the NYX pigment in the color Ultra Pearl, which looks like this. I think I want to do those both. Whoa, baby. I didn't. I'm just doing all types of crazy stuff. Alright, we gonna plan that out when I'm done. That was cute, so I might use this as my highlighter too for my cheeks. So for the lips, no brainer, we're doing nude. I'm going to take the brown lip liner. This is by MAC in Chestnut. I usually wear this lip liner anytime I'm wearing a nude lip. So and then for my lipstick, this is the KKW one in the color Kimberly. You're gonna go ahead and don't forget to like and subscribe, or thumbs down if you don't like this video. Don't do that. Just like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what videos you want to see in the future. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all the support that I've been getting from everyone. And yeah, let's get to these slow-mos, baby.